and then get pissed off when we didn't turn around and immediately do it. And sweet Jesus, you better believe that call light was grafted to his hand. He was basically an all-around attention seeker, as if you can be in the ICU and not get enough attention. Most people beg us to please leave them alone for a little while so they can sleep, but I digress. When he arrived, he was critical enough that we had to intubate him and put him on a ventilator, and after 3 days, he'd improved enough to get off the vent, and we switched him to a heated high-flow cannula, which is a good thing, where we can gradually ease people down to hopefully just a regular nasal cannula. Also, it meant that he could eat. So he would get us to get him Jell-O, popsicles, ice water, snacks, etc., at least hourly, and often more frequently than that, all night long. And he didn't even eat all of them. He would take a couple of bites and throw the rest away, and want another one 10 minutes later. He just wanted someone to go in and wait on him. So this particular night, about 2 weeks after admission, the doc restricted him to only water until the morning, because his sugar was running high. The patient did not like this, because there went 75% of his means of getting attention. So he decided that taking off his high flow so that his oxygen sats plummeted was a great idea, because obviously we respond to those alarms damn quick. After the third or fourth time of him deliberately doing this, I went in and sat down and had a blunt talk with him. I said I know it's boring being in isolation, and it sucks that there's no visitors allowed. And yes, the hospital's cable plan leaves much to be desired, but he's hurting himself by doing this, and every time he does it, his oxygen levels take longer to recover. I told him, I get that you don't like being here, and I don't blame you a bit, but you're sabotaging your own recovery and making your stay longer by doing this. So is there anything I could do to help you relax and get some sleep tonight? He said he supposed he could use his laptop, but he needed reading glasses to see the screen. So if I brought him some, he'd stop taking his oxygen off. I told him, I'm sorry, but we don't have disposable reading glasses. I can try to help you increase the text size on your computer, and in the morning, maybe you can have a family member pick up your glasses from home and drop them off for you with security. He said, the nurse has some out there. I'll just use those. I told him that those are her personal reading glasses, and she needs them. Besides, in isolation rooms, whatever comes into your room has to be disposable or your personal property. He then said, then have the hospital optometrist come in and give me new ones. Now, at this point, it's about midnight, and I told him we don't have a hospital optometrist, and even if we did, you're in COVID isolation. Only medically necessary staff are allowed in this unit. Can someone bring you yours? He is getting really mad now. He says, you'll get me an optometrist. I have a caseworker who oversees my care across 3 countries, and I'll call her and tell her, and she'll make you bring someone in to give me new reading glasses. So the rant went on, but at this point, I'm just done. So I repeat to him that none of this will be happening because you are in COVID isolation, sir. But if you can still think of something reasonable that we can do, we'll be glad to do it. So he's still making demands about glasses, so I leave him because we're clearly not getting anywhere. And contrary to his apparent belief, he's not the only patient in the unit. About 2 minutes later, his call light goes off, and I go and see what he needs. He wants the nurse's glasses. I tell him no. The call light goes on again, and he wants the glasses. I tell him no again. The call light goes on once again, and he wants the glasses. Are you kidding me right now? I tell him no. So he hits the call light once again. And at this point, I don't even say, can I help you? I just tell him that it doesn't matter how many times he asks. The nurse is not going to give him her glasses, and that he's a grown man who knows better than to behave like this. I told him that our unit is full, and we need to see everybody's needs, not just his. If he has a real need, we're happy to help him, but he needs to accept that he's not getting the nurse's glasses. So you know what he does? He takes off his oxygen. Now we're playing this game again. I gown up, run in, and put it back in his nose, and leave. He waits until I'm outside getting wiped down, and then he looks me straight in the eye, and takes it off again. I gown up again, go back in, tell him he has to leave it on, put it back in his nose, leave, and he takes it off yet again. At this point, I tap out, because I'm a patient person, but this is beyond ridiculous. And I'm about to exercise my ex-Navy vocabulary on him, so another nurse takes over. So she goes in and tells him that if a patient is a danger to themselves, we have to restrain them. She also tells him that she's not as nice as me, so he gets one chance to knock it off. He lets her leave, and then he takes off his oxygen again. And one thing about this nurse is